karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox my Tolifo cinematic lights kit. So guys, while I'm opening it, I would like to tell you, like, I paid about 50 Omani Rials for it, and you can see, like, from some places my kit box is damaged. So this happened while I was crossing the border from UAE to Oman, and on the way the custom authorities, they try to open my package. Okay, so guys, here it is. So let me take it out of the box. So this kit is pretty heavy and the box is big, so I am using my kitchen to do the unboxing. So guys, here it is. So the first thing you will notice, it comes with a very nice carry bag. Okay, so now let us open the carry bag and see what comes in it. Okay, so guys, here you can see lot of boxes. So guys, now I'll adjust my camera angle so that you can see what all comes in this. So guys, here you can see lot of boxes, so we'll take them out. So it comes with this coil fluorescent lamps. So how many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 fluorescent lamps. So then it has some safety belts, instruction manual. I'll move this down. Then we have one box. So what is in this? So in this you have the socket for these lamps. So in each socket 4 of them goes. Okay, and it has a mount to mount it on a tripod, and it has a power cord. Okay, so here it is. And similarly I have one more like this for the other lights. So this kit is a set of 2 lights. So then I have some Velcro, then I have more Velcro. Okay, so what is in this? Okay, so guys, here is the umbrella for this light. So what is the umbrella? You will see while we set these lights up. So we keep them here. So this is the carry bag for the umbrella, and then you have two tripods. Okay, so I'll keep them here, and that is another umbrella for the other light. So it is packed in the bag. And then I have the other tripod. Okay, so guys, that's all which comes in this kit. So we have 2 tripods, 2 sockets which fits 4 of the lamps each, 8 lamps, 2 umbrellas. Okay, so guys, soon I will make a video of setting this thing up. Okay, so that you can have an idea how to set this thing up. So guys, that's all for today. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.